Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we're decorating a trailer. December is the Christmas meet for Outback truckers, and it's the done thing to decorate a trailer. Now I'm not much of a Christmas traditionalist, so I'm not going with the usual scale reindeer and snowmen. In fact, I was at the good old tat shop, also known as B&M, and found a giant Santa. Yeah. He's actually too tall to fit in my white box. The top of his head is about 2 inches above the next shelf up. It's just a shame that he hasn't got a red suit, but I'm sure he'll do. He's got a bit of nice detail, especially considering where he came from, and the best bit, he's the perfect size to lay down in the load area of the trailer. We just need to attach him. I don't have any proper straps, so I got some ribbon at the crafts bit at a local garden centre. Luckily, no one asked what I was planning to use a ribbon for. So we've got somewhere to tie the ribbon to. I'm going to use some M3 screws with lock washers and nuts in the existing holes in the aluminium angle along the side of the trailer. And to hide the metalwork and give grey Santa a comfy ride, I've got some polyester padding cut roughly to shape. For the screws, we'll insert them from the outside, add a lock washer and thread on a nut. It would be easier to strap Santa down if the screws pointed outwards, but I'd be a bit worried about catching the screws on the scenery, or worse, scraping the side of someone else's truck. Besides, Santa is quite rotund, so the ribbon should stay put okay. With all 6 screws in, we can tie a knot in the ribbon and attach it to one of the screws. Lay the polyester down, followed by Santa. Now we just need to run the ribbon under his arms and around the screw on the other side. Now I'm going to finish the strapping off camera, and needless to say it's a bit tricky to see what I'm doing and reach the other side. Lastly, we can cut the ribbon and tie it off around the last screw. It's just enough that he's not going to fall out, but at the same time it won't take too long to de-Christmas when we're done. I really wanted to add some lights too, an LED strip around the bottom of the load area, but yet again I'm running out of time. But never mind, we now have a giant Santa loaded up ready to deliver. Kind of a Christmas Colossus. I'm not sure where he's going to go after the truck meet, but he'll probably end up standing guard by the front door. Well, that's a bit of a random video this week, and a bit short yet again, but at least it's kind of on theme for December. Right, as always then, thanks for watching, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if there's something on your mind. Bye guys!